Hey everyone, so today we are going to make a Mocha Frappuccino. A lot of coffee shops are closed or there's long lines, so let's make one at home. So this is how I've been doing it. I've been taking this instant coffee, 2 tablespoons, 1, 2. This is regular sugar. I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of that. Now this is going to be enough for 3 glasses. I'm going to make it for myself, my son, and my daughter. Okay, now we're going to add roughly about 2 cups of milk, using whole milk. Regular chocolate syrup. 1, 2, 3, 4. I do about 4-second pour on the syrup. Now this is a 2-cup measuring cups, and it's filled to the top, so roughly about 2.5 cups of ice. Pour that in. Hold your lid in case if we have any catastrophes. We don't want that. Hit the ice crush button. This is going to get loud. I'll try to edit the sound out. So we're going to whip this up until it's nice and frothy. Okay, so I let this whip for about a minute or so, and it's just how I like it. You can do it less, you can do it even longer, it just whips it up even more. Let's try to do this without making a mess. Okay, and there you have it. 3 Mocha Frappuccinos. Delicious. Give this one a try. You save yourself a lot of money. Take care. Be well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. All that good stuff. See you on the next one. Bye.